Hi guys, this is Sopit again. I go on Zoom, but you can't see my face. I don't know what's wrong with it, okay? So I don't have time. So I just start again with the Facebook Live on my mobile phone. Alright. Just hop on. I just invite some friends, okay? Just bear with me a sec. Okay, I have to set up again. All right. Okay, bear with me. I just invite some friends and then we can chit chat later. Yep. Woo. Today very hot, okay? Maybe I should put some fan on later on. Woohoo! All right, guys. At least you see me. Tonight, in the next 10 minutes, we're gonna talk about be authentic, be real. Okay, and be authentic is boost your business. Yeah, without selling your soul to the devil. All right, because a lot of people want to be successful too much, use the wrong way. Okay, the wrong way that jeopardize your business in the long term. Okay, today I just would like to tell you about join the webinar tonight 1 a.m. if you can, from Thailand or from other country like in Africa or wherever around the world, because of tonight we're gonna show the real secret of two moms. Okay, my friend Lene from Canada and I will tell you what is make us make profit, okay, in the online business. All right. Okay, tonight you can check my Facebook page, okay, and the events, so you can register for tonight. All right, guys. But we're gonna talking about how to do networking the right way. Okay. All right. Let's see. If anyone who don't know me, please put number 1 in. Okay. Let me check my Facebook. Put number 1 if you don't know me. But if you know me, put number 2, Abdullaham Al-Haye. Thank you so much. Even you don't see my face, you still like my Facebook. Thank you. Thank you, Tina. All right, and thank you, Joseph, okay? Joseph, this is a message for you especially, okay? If you want to get the free tool, free business online, okay, send me message that you want it. I will give it to you, all right? Because you are my first student online business, okay? Joseph is a very successful businessman, okay? He have a water pump business in Dakar, Senegal, okay? He very successful businessman. But this one, okay, because I know that you have a hiccup with Twitter. You want to do the Twitter better, okay? And I will help you to go to the next level. Send me a message, okay? Or drop the message on my Facebook. Yep, Joseph, if you want it. It costs you nothing, all right? It costs you nothing. I will give you the tool, the business packet, set it for you immediately, all right? Okay, thank you for the heart. Thank you for the heart. Tonight we're going to talk about how to be genuine. Yeah, you don't have to do anything you don't want to, okay, to make yourself successful. Just be yourself, okay? If you don't like anything, just say that you don't like that, and then you will attract only people who the same kind of mind, like-minded, okay? If you said, oh, I don't like gambling, tell them so. I don't like gun, tell them so, and then people who have gun will not come near you, all right? I think that's the best, okay? That's the best. Thank you, Penny. Thank you, Ka, for being here. Thank you, Ka, Penny, for your support. I really appreciate it. Penny, thank you so much. Okay. And you know what the wrong way? The wrong way is when you networking, you connect with people, you just talk about yourself. Nyap, 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 non-stop. Don't do that, okay? That is the wrong way, okay? When you talk to people, you just let them talk, yeah? And you collect the information, okay? That you will be able to help them. That's the key, all right? Stop talking, listening. Talk only necessary, okay? And don't be jealous with people who are bigger than you, richer than you, because they work harder than you, longer than you. Why you want to jealous them? All right, don't jealous them, because they've been hard worker, smart worker for many years. They should have that result. And if you do the same, you will get the result. All right. Thank you so much, Tina, for being here. And stop jealousy. Okay. Hi, Pontip. Thank you, Ka. Thank you, Pontip. Coming on. Okay. And tonight we have a webinar at 1 a.m. Okay, it's suitable for your time. Okay, that is when my friend Lene and I will give the secret. Okay, how we run a profitable online business. Okay, two mom from two city. I think Lene is in Toronto, in Canada. All right. And one day, if I help you with Pontip to be a successful businesswoman, earn at least $1,000 a month, and I will interview you. Okay. All right. Number one, we not talk about ourselves. Okay. We talk about our friend. Okay. And number two, we're not jealous anybody. Okay. Because we are better than that. We do things for the right thing. It's not do things for us. Okay. Just do the right thing. And then everything will turn up accordingly. Okay. Don't take more than you can give. Okay. Give more. Okay, that is the wrong way how to do things. You talk about yourself, that is the wrong thing. If you interview somebody, let them talk, okay, and you collect information that you can how you can help them. All right, the right way are help a lot of people. Okay, in my team, I try to help a lot of my team member, over 20 people already. With other team is already 30. Okay. And I'm very busy, okay? I'm do teaching, I learning myself, and I teaching, learning at the same time, and produce video to help other people. All right? You have to help a lot of people in this business world, especially social media. You can't go alone, okay? You have to go with the team. And if you go alone, you can be we bite by the shark or a tiger or lion or hyena. Okay, be with a friend. We know the reason for that. Your friend will warn you when they see something harmful come near you. All right. I warn a lot of my friends that way. Okay, and do the right thing. How we do the right thing on social media? You have to go and comment on a blog that you like, okay? In Thai language or in English. Comment on the blog and how you like it, why you like it. Tell the blog writer, and they will appreciate you and they will help you, okay? Or comment in the group, okay? In Thai group or English group, whatever that you fancy, okay? When you go to like a sewing group or other teaching group, you not tell about your business, okay? Because this is unethical. You're not spamming that group. When they teach you, you just mention that, oh yes, this video is so good, it's so clear and makes sense, okay? Something like that. And then people will comment about you back, all right? And they want to know you because you are a good person. Okay, good, genuine will be the real person, will be go far, okay? The people who always buy the app that make fake like, fake comment, okay? Don't do that. Okay, it have all those like dot comment have to be from the real people. Okay, and it ruin your statistic, okay? You don't know where you are, and then how can you improve your business, all right? Okay, for myself and my teacher, there are people who give, okay? There are people who give to the world, and I am too, okay? All my life, I help people to get water well for the Thai farmer in northeastern part of Thailand when they don't have water to use, okay? And when I when I came to the UK, because I follow my husband here, and I do charity work with Citizen Advice Bureau for 15 years, all right? And I help a lot of people in debt problems, domestic violence. I help loads of people, okay? Both English, both Thai, and other nation, all right? People who come to England and then have a problem with immigration and things like that, I just help them. Or people who have a domestic violence, I have to go to court, okay? Or I do interpreting service for them, okay? Or translating document. Okay, guys, when you are in the position that you help other people, it's much better, yeah? It's much better than taking, yeah? Because you're already rich. That's why you can give, okay? You can give other people tools. You give automate system for them for free, okay? Give them, give. Believe me, give. Okay, and the money will come later. Ask them and let them talk, okay? When you talk to people, don't just take over conversation, not let anybody else talking, okay? We have a lot of people like that. So don't be, okay? If you can learn and you know what is the right way, do the right way, okay? And if you like somebody, yeah? If you like somebody so much in their blog, in their Facebook page and things like that, you can announce that good thing, okay? Their reputation in the Facebook group or Facebook post. They are good teacher, whatever. Announce it in Twitter, because Twitter is a place that a lot of famous people like Trump or movie star praise other people, okay? So do that way, and the people will share, okay? Which people said, oh, yes, this person used to help me. Yes, I will click and share. That is word of mouth, is worth a lot of money, okay? More than the money can buy. When people share your stuff, people like you, people trust you. It's worth more than money, okay? Money can't buy, basically. All right? Okay. And what else do you want to ask me question or anyone? Let me see how many. Okay. Thank you for your message, okay, guys? Hi, Abdul Rahman. Thank you so much, okay? Abdul Rahman is so kind. Okay, I will type later. Okay, guys, if you guys don't have any question, all right? I will go, but you still can send a message to me, okay? At facebook.com/Todhunter, okay? Or send me a message in a messenger. Okay, guys, take care and see you tonight at 1 a.m. UK time. All right, we will tell you what is the secret, okay? How we sell stuff, and you will try to click on the link, and I give it to you, okay? And see how it works, all right? And this is the way that I don't have to sit there and watching it, and I can do some other thing while the funnel sells stuff for me. All right, guys, I hope you learn from watching and modeling what I'm doing. Okay, take care. And tonight, we're going to be fun. All right, don't forget to register. And the bonus, only 10 people. The first 10 people, okay? Tonight, only $1. It's so bargain, okay? The thing Sopit give it to you is good value, all right? Good value. You can't find anywhere else, okay? And we are honesty, okay? Our system is used by doctor, the police in the Christian church, the policeman, and the doctor, okay? And the teacher who want to help people. All right, guys, take care. This is Sopit from sopittodhunter.com, live from the UK. Alright guys, bye bye now. See you next video.